Department of Chemistry welcomes you to the video on career guidance in chemistry. Chemistry is an incredibly fascinating field of study because it is so fundamental to our world. Chemistry plays a role in everyone's life and touches almost every aspect of our existence in some way or the other. Chemistry is everywhere and chemical reactions occur when you breathe, when you eat, and when plants undergo photosynthesis. Chemistry explains how food changes as you cook it, how it rots, how to preserve food, how body digests it and uses it to produce energy. Chemistry also helps to decide which cleaner is the best for dishes, for laundry, and for personal hygiene. Chemistry plays an important role in developing and testing new medicines and medical treatments. Chemistry contributes to help and find solutions for environmental issues, solve problems concerned to environment such as pollution control by making greener cities, eco-friendly cars, and so on. Students wanting to become doctors, nurses, nutritionists, geologists, pharmacists, chemists, all study chemistry. If you are fascinated by chemistry and have passion to pursue your future in chemistry, then let us explore the different options available in the field of chemistry. St. Aloysius PU College offers different combinations in chemistry, that is PCMB, PCMC, PCMS, PCME, and PCBH. With chemistry as major, students can apply for bachelor degree programs, Bachelor in Science, Bachelor in Engineering, and Bachelor in Technology. After successful completion of bachelor degree in science, students can pursue their master programs in chemistry with following subjects. Similarly, after completion of PUC, the students wanting to go for engineering can do their bachelor's with following disciplines. After completion of bachelor in engineering, one can go for masters in engineering as well as for technology. Choosing a career path is easier when you know what options you have. Knowing the various career fields will help you to choose the right job based on your talent, your education, and interest. Let us explore the various job opportunities available in the field of chemistry. Teachers are nation builders. The strength of every profession in our country grows out of knowledge and skills that teachers help to instill in our children. If you have an ability to shape the young minds and change their lives for better, then teaching is the profession meant for you. A chemistry graduate can serve as a teacher for primary, secondary classes, as lecturer for higher secondary classes, as assistant professor for undergraduate and postgraduate with the following qualification. If one needs to get into government sector, that is state or central government colleges like Navodaya and Kendriya Vidyalaya and others, they need to clear the following state and national level exams as given below. Research and development. Chemistry graduates have much scope to use their knowledge in range of research sectors, including roles within chemical engineering, chemical industries, healthcare, and more. Research careers are more diverse than they might appear first. You could be placed in a university combining research with teaching, in a pharmaceutical company working on developing and trialing new drugs, or public sector research center helping to ensure national healthcare provision. Most chemistry careers in research are based in laboratories, where research is conducted by teams following scientific methods and standards. Some examples of diverse research done by chemistry experts include new medicines and vaccines, environmental issues, development of new products and materials such as cosmetics, paints, plastics, food and drinks. Chemist. Chemists investigate the properties of matter at the level of atoms and molecules. They measure proportions and reaction rate in order to understand unfamiliar substance and how they behave, or to create new compounds for use in variety of practical applications. To do this, they use a wide range of analytical techniques and instrumentation involving chromatography, spectroscopy, and many other analytical instruments. A chemistry graduate can be easily placed in a private firms, which is given below, under the Department of Research and Development, Quality Assurance, Quality Control. Career in PSUs, that is public sector undertaking. With careers for chemists as researchers in state-led initiatives, there are growing number of government-funded careers in chemistry within areas such as law, policy, defense, public health, environment, and so on. Some of the PSU companies are listed below. There are two routes for getting into PSUs. One is through direct recruitment. In this route, the candidates are directly recruited without any exam. Often PSUs visit and select the candidates from IITs, IIMs, NITs, and so on. The second route is through All India level exam, that is GATE exam. GATE exam results are used by PSUs for their recruitment, and GATE scores are also used by several other universities in India and abroad for admission. Chem Informatics or Data Scientist. Chem Informatics is the use of computer and informational techniques applied to a range of problems in the field of chemistry. It helps chemists for investigating new problems, organize, analyze, and understand scientific data in the development of novel compounds, materials, and processes. It covers complementary disciplines that hold great promises for advancement of R&D in biological system, software development, drug design, and so on. This field helps to store, index, and retrieve details about chemical compounds. Geochemists. Geochemists are experts who combine their knowledge of chemistry and geology to help in natural resources exploration such as minerals, natural gas, and oils. Geochemists basically study deeply about various physical aspects of our planets, including composition, processes, structures. They are also well adept in examining the distribution of chemical elements in minerals and rocks. Chemist patent attorneys. Chemist patent attorneys help clients like chemical or pharmaceutical companies to prepare, file, and prosecute applications for new chemical patents. Chemist patent attorneys also help clients litigate patent infringement cases and help them prepare contracts for patent licensing agreements. If you are interested in learning how different techniques and methods are used for solving crimes, then forensic science is an option for you. Forensic experts will be involved in collection, preservation, and examination of materials found at crime scenes. These forensic experts will also have to prepare legal documents to be submitted in the court of law. If you have a passion in learning astronomy and chemistry, and like to study the reactions of molecules in the universe and their interaction with radiation, then here you have an emerging science of astrochemistry which has begun to gain momentum in the field of astronomy. Astrochemist focuses on investigating of chemical processes taking place in space, including molecular evolution and complexity. They also study the composition and reactions of atom, molecules, and ions in space. Food chemist. The job of food chemist involves studying the components that make up our food at the molecular level and using that knowledge to improve the preparation, processing, storage, and distribution of processed food. They work in laboratories, offices, in the firm, in food processing plants, coming up with new food sources as well as ways to preserve the natural food, while keeping them healthy, favorable, and safe to eat. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, a government body which comes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and Food Corporation of India, which is also a statutory body run by Government of India, undertakes chemistry graduates in technical and general administration field. A sea of other career options in the chemistry field are lab technician, toxicologist, water chemist, pharmacologist, synthetic chemist, oceanographer, material scientist, textile chemist, environmental chemist, crystallographer. There is no lack of career options for science students. If you feel that the above listed ones doesn't float your boat, then here is the list of few other career options a science students can take up. See where your interest lies and find a career that matches your interest. It is well said by Catherine Whitehorn, find out what you like doing the best and get someone to pay you for doing it.